Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever feel that English practice can become boring or hard to continue? Grammar rules feel dry, vocabulary lists disappear from memory, and speaking exercises feel awkward when you do them alone. Many learners want to improve listening, speaking, reading, and vocabulary every day, but they need something simple, enjoyable, and consistent that doesn't feel like study. That's exactly why daily stories work so well. Short stories give you real sentences and natural phrases, help you hear pronunciation and rhythm, teach vocabulary in context, much easier to remember, improve listening without pressure, give you something to retell, instant speaking practice, make you feel emotion. Emotion equals better memory. Today, I want to give you a very simple routine you can follow every day, 10 to 20 minutes, to practice all 4 skills using one short story. I'll explain the routine first, then give you today's story, then show you exactly how to use it. Daily English Story Practice Routine, 10 to 20 minutes. Step 1. Listen once without stopping, 3 to 5 minutes. Just relax and listen. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Goal is enjoy the story and get the main idea. Step 2. Listen a second time and follow the text, 4 to 6 minutes. Now, read the story on screen or paper while listening. Pause when you want to look at a new word or repeat a sentence. Step 3. Shadow speaking, 4 to 6 minutes. Play the story again or read aloud yourself. Repeat each sentence immediately after you hear it. Copy pronunciation, speed, and emotion. This is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency and natural rhythm. Step 4. Retell the story in your own words, 3 to 5 minutes. Speak out loud or record yourself. I just listened to a story about the main character was he or she wanted to. In the end, don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Step 5. Pick 5 to 8 favorite new or useful words or phrases, 2 minutes. Write them down with one simple sentence each. Say them aloud 3 times. That's it. 10 to 20 minutes a day. Listening, plus reading, plus speaking, plus vocabulary, plus emotion. Do this every day with a new short story, and you will notice big improvement in 30 to 60 days. Now, here is today's story. It's short, emotional, and full of useful everyday English. Today's story, The Red Umbrella. Ria was 24 years old and lived in a small apartment in Mumbai. Every morning, she took the same crowded local train to her office. She hated the rain because she never had an umbrella and always got wet. One very rainy Tuesday, she forgot her raincoat. When she stepped out of the station, the rain was so heavy she could barely see. She stood under the tiny station roof, waiting for the rain to stop. She was already late for an important meeting. An older woman, maybe 60 years old, stood next to her holding a big red umbrella. The woman looked at Ria, smiled gently, and said in a soft voice, "You look cold and wet, Beta. Here, take my umbrella. I live very close. I don't need it anymore today." Ria was surprised. "Auntie, no, I can't take it. You will get wet." The woman laughed kindly. "I have many umbrellas at home, but you have an important day ahead. Go, don't be late." Ria hesitated, then took the umbrella. "Thank you so much, Auntie. I will return it tomorrow, I promise." The woman just waved and walked away smiling. Ria opened the red umbrella and ran to her office. She arrived only 5 minutes late, but dry and warm. During the whole meeting, she kept thinking about the kind woman. The next morning, Ria went back to the station early. She waited with the red umbrella in her hand. After 20 minutes, she saw the old woman again. "Auntie," Ria called happily, "here is your umbrella. Thank you again. You really saved my day." The woman took the umbrella, looked at Ria with kind eyes, and said, "Keep it, child. Now it's yours. Pass on the kindness when you see someone who needs it." Ria's eyes filled with tears. She hugged her tightly and whispered, "I will, I promise." From that day on, Ria always carried the red umbrella, even on sunny days, just in case someone needed it. And every time she gave it to someone caught in the rain, she remembered the old woman's smile and felt warm inside. Key useful phrases from the story, great for daily English. Got wet, stood under the roof, very heavy rain, important meeting, hesitated, thank you so much, I promise, saved my day, pass on the kindness, caught in the rain, filled with tears, hugged tightly. Your daily practice challenge. Choose 1 to 2 today. Retell the story in your own words, 3 to 7 sentences. Record yourself if possible. Answer aloud. How did Ria feel when the woman gave her the umbrella? What did the old woman teach Ria? Have you ever received or given an unexpected act of kindness? What happened? Pick 5 to 8 bold or new words or phrases and make your own sentences. Say them aloud. Do this routine every day with a new short story, and your English will grow stronger, smoother, and more natural, week after week. You are already doing something very beautiful, giving yourself time to grow. That is real courage. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep feeling the language. See you tomorrow with a new story. Take care.